All right, so let's go over what needs to be on your Weebly blog page. All right, so you get logged in, and let's go to our site. Let's go edit it. And so you're allowed to pick whatever theme you want to. So that's fine here, okay? But this should be your landing page. You can add stuff to it if you'd like to, okay? It is editable. Can't say that word. You just click these elements over here to drag. So if you want to add a title, then you just drag it over here, and now you have a place to add whatever you want to. You can use your name. You could call it my government blog, whatever you'd like to do. Okay, that's up to you. If you want to add some text, you just drag the text over here, and now you can do this. Right now, you can type out an about you or whatever you would like to. I'm not requiring anything on this main page other than some kind of title with your name and kind of maybe a short thing about what you're going to be doing. But you see the different things you can do. Images, if you would like to put a picture up there, just please keep it school appropriate, but you can use it as much however you want to. I'm not grading you on your blog per se. I'm going to be grading you on your content of your blog and your comments that you make to your classmates. So that's what I'll be mainly looking for, not necessarily all the titles and images that you throw on here. But that's up to you. Be as creative as you want to, or as basic as you'd like to. Okay, so there's the title page. Next thing we want to do is go up here to pages. So this is where we're going to actually have our blog page. So first off, get rid of whatever you want to here. You don't have to have any of this stuff. Have a home page there, but we don't need a contact page. So let's click on it and click delete. And yes, I'm sure I want to delete the page. We can delete the news. We don't need that either. We can delete about, unless you want to have an about you. If you want to do that, you can. Like I said, I'm not grading all that stuff. And then services, we're going to get rid of that too. So now we just have a home page. So what do we need to do now? Well, you need to click the plus sign up here where it says pages. So click there. We're going to create a blog page here. And let's name it AP Gov blog. You can name it whatever you want to. You can just name it blog if you'd like to. But give it some kind of name so that people know when they click on it that is where it is. So here we are. And so now I have my AP Gov blog. All right. So once again, if you want to edit stuff here, all right, go back to build. And now you can throw stuff over here. You already have a title page kind of. But if you want to add anything else to it, if you want to add a different image or an image to this, just click on it and drag it over. And now you can add an image and click in it, and it lets you do where you want to pull the image from. All right. But we're more concerned about the blog. So let's scroll down on our blog page, and we don't have any blog posts yet. That's not due until the 25th or so. If you want to write a quick thing about you, hey, my name is blah, blah, blah. We really don't need the archives. And since we're just doing government stuff, unless you plan on doing other blogs, then feel free to, but we can get rid of categories. All right. So just a quick little thing. Hey, I'm a high school senior at Collins Hill. I'm going to be going to blah, blah, blah school, and I'll be writing about the government stuff here. All right. So anyways, there's that. So now we're ready to actually create a blog. So all you have to do is click on new post. Scroll down. You have a title. All right. So you'll name the first one Unit 1 Constitutional Underpinnings or Constitutional Foundations or whatever name you'd like to give it, something along those lines, just so we know, hey, this is the Unit 1 one. And then I'm going to drag my text over. And this is where I can start typing, okay, and get my text in there of that stuff. If you want to add other stuff, if you find an image that goes with it that you think would be appropriate for your blog, feel free to drag it in there. You can throw that in there. You see the other stuff that's here. If you find a video, there's a way to post YouTube videos to this. Just scroll down. There's some video options, YouTube here, Flash, all kinds of stuff that you can throw in there. All right. If you want to space it out, divide it, here's this. All right. So we can throw a divider in there and make it look, if you need to have separate to answer different questions and things like that. So there is that. Once again, you can make this as nice and as frilly as you want to. The main thing I'm grading is your content that you throw onto the blog page. So when you type up a response, that's what I'll be great. All right. I hope this helps. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me in class when we're done with stuff. Wednesday, the 9th, when we're in the lab, will be a great day to set this up and get everything done so that I'm right there with you and can help you out. But it should be pretty simple once you get going. All right. Hope all's well.